Hey guys, Bryce here with Dixie 4-wheel drive. Today we got Frank's XJ here that's got 2020 392 Dana 44 Rubicon axles front and rear with the locking differentials. It's got a BDS long arm and Fox 2.0 shocks. So it's a 4-link front with leaf spring still in the rear, so still keeping it simple. 1310 drive shaft to a 1350 at the rear axle, so you can see the rear's tucked up under there. But 1996 XJ, which is the last year of the super squared off. So this is what I grew up. This was my first vehicle. Mine was a little bit older. Mine was an 89. This thing's pretty dang clean, so it's super cool to see. But yeah, locker switches, top one's front, bottom one's rear. So pretty epic little XJ. So not too over the top, but also kind of a sleeper stealth little XJ. So I'm excited to see. They got a rooftop tent that drops on it so they can kind of go over landing, and but they can also climb some rocks and play around. So JKS quick disconnects. But yeah, kind of cool. We were able to retain JL upper control arm mount locations, but I had to move everything else. So shock mounts and lower control arm mounts and sway bar mounts and all that good stuff. But a lot of work into a little XJ. We had to do some trimming, remove the fenders, gain us that, rolled edge. And then same thing with the front. We had to go ahead and trim quite a bit to keep a no offset wheel. So scrub radius is very minimal on this. So even though it's got a little bit of a wider stance, it definitely handles really good. So one hand on the wheel, 75 miles an hour. I think they're going to be pretty happy with this thing. But like I say, super clean 1996 XJ on 35's, 4-inch long arm, trimmed to fit the big tires. So pretty cool. Weather today's awesome in southern Utah. Tiny bit of snow in the mountains finally in February. So St. George off in the distance that direction. Beautiful southern Utah. You can't even see Pine Valley. Clouds got it covered. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this sweet XJ build, and on to the next one for us.